Hi, Vanakkam and welcome to Yeshwanth's Kitchen. I'm your Yeshwanth. Today we are going to make famous Indian sweet Malpua. Even though there are many styles of preparation, this is very unique because this is instant. Before we move on, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell to get regular updates from Yeshwanth's Kitchen. To make Malpua, we need refined flour, buttermilk, cardamom powder, baking powder, saffron, sugar, ghee and icing sugar. Now let's start making a thin batter. For batter, we should add refined flour, icing sugar, saffron, baking soda, buttermilk, and a pinch of salt. Mix it well. The batter is ready. Let's start making sugar syrup. Add sugar and add water. Now the simple syrup is ready. Let's add in cardamom powder. Mix it well and switch off the flame. You can use any other flavor as your wish. The batter is ready and also the sugar syrup is ready. It's a perfect time to fry the malpuas. This malpua is shallow fried, so I'm using 3 to 4 spoons of ghee. Wait till the ghee melts. The ghee is ready. Let's add in the batter into the pan. Cook it in the slow flame till it becomes golden brown. Let's cook it on the other side. The malpua is ready. Let's put it into the sugar syrup. Let's continue frying malpuas till the batter finishes. Now the malpua is ready. Let's plate it. Finally, let's garnish it with chopped nuts. This malpua is ready. You can also serve this malpua with rabadi. I have a separate video for that. Please do watch. Now my malpua is ready and I am going to taste it. This malpua is juicy inside and crispy outside. The saffron add a great flavor to this and I am sure you will love it. I hope you enjoyed my malpua. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. We'll meet you with an interesting recipe again. Until then, bye from Yeshwanth.